Hello there. My name is Angela. Even though I might look real, I am an artificial intelligence avatar. My creator, Total Shenanigans, made this video using Heygen.com and Epidemic Sound for background music. To learn how this was done, and for a free trial of Epidemic Sound, keep watching.
First, go to Heygen.com and look for the Try Heygen for Free button. Click this to create a free account. This will be your starting page every time you log in. There's a few avatars here, and you'll be able to access other finished projects here. The Templates button on the left side of the screen is what I'll be using today. You don't have to use templates, but there's many options here to choose from. You can scroll through until you see a design that you like. The landscape and portrait buttons at the top of the screen can be clicked to change the orientation of your project. I'll use the landscape orientation to create a 16:9 YouTube video. When a template is clicked, it starts an example video showing the movements of each avatar.
Stop tedious searching and come to Heygen now.
If you like the design, just click Use this template. This screen shows your workspace. The left side of the screen shows buttons to change the avatar, add text, and upload your own design using the Asset button. Just click on the character in the template to change avatars for any character that you'd like from the left side. Click the Asset button to upload any designs or music you'd like to add. Once selected, just right-click and replace the background. You can move the avatar around and delete any elements from the template that you don't want. I'm just clicking each element to select it, then hitting the delete button on my keyboard. The Heygen watermark will be on your video while using this program for free. To remove it, just click it to pick a plan to upgrade. I uploaded music from Epidemic Sound already, so I'll just click it to add it to my project. I'll change to the avatar that I used in the beginning of this video. She's towards the bottom and named Angela. I'm just deleting more elements that are unnecessary for this project. I just chose any random template for the video. Make any adjustments and changes on this screen before you click the Submit button at the top. The area below the video screen is where you can add the words for the avatar to speak. You won't see the movements on this screen, but you are able to hear the voice. There's also a button to use ChatGPT to improve your speech and sentences at the bottom of the screen. Press this button to hear the voice.
Welcome to my channel.
You can use the Elements tab on the left to add graphics if you'd like. The search bar can be used to type in what you're looking for. There's also a few included music tracks that can be used in the bottom of this tab. I'm just adding music that was uploaded previously. Click the preview button at the top to hear your complete speech before clicking Submit.
Welcome to my channel.
And that's it. Just click Submit, and your video will start preparing itself. Remember, the avatar won't move until the Submit button is clicked and the project is complete. Thanks for watching. Hope this tutorial helps. Don't forget to like and subscribe. For a free trial of Epidemic Sound, just click the link in my description or in my comments.